Hi, fourth grade. All right, we are going to learn a new song and recorder today. It's called It's Raining. So if you know like the raining song that's It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. It's that same song, okay? So the notes we're going to use, first of all, a lot of you have been showing me videos of you with your hands not in the right position. Make sure your left hand is on top, okay? Then we're going to use the notes G, E, and A in this song. That's it. Just G, A, G, E. Okay? All right. So me first, and then you. I'm going to start on G. Play what I play. My turn. I'm starting on E this time. Oh, sorry. Just kidding. We're going to go back to the very beginning. Copycat me. Okay, that's the whole song. I know it's tricky, so go back and watch this video as many times as you need to practice. I'm going to show you the whole song so that you can hear what it sounds like when it's all together. All right, have fun with it. Good luck.